How to find your lost phone. Losing your phone can be a stressful experience, but don't worry. There are several ways to locate it. Follow these steps to find your lost phone quickly. For Android devices, use Find My Device. Step 1. Go to the Find My Device website, https://www.google.com/android/find, or open the Find My Device app on another Android device. Step 2. Sign in with the Google account linked to your lost phone. Step 3. Your phone's approximate location will be displayed on a map. You can also ring your phone, lock it, or erase its data if needed. Check Google Maps. Step 1. Open Google Maps on a computer or another device. Step 2. Sign in with the Google account linked to your lost phone. Step 3. Click on the menu, 3 horizontal lines, and select Your Timeline to see the last known locations of your device. For iOS devices, iPhone, use Find My iPhone. Step 1. Go to the iCloud website, https://www.icloud.com, or open the Find My app on another Apple device. Step 2. Sign in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Click on Find iPhone to see your phone's location on a map. You can also play a sound, put it in lost mode, or erase it remotely. Use Siri. Step 1. If you think your phone is nearby, you can say, "Hey Siri," to wake up your device. Step 2. Ask Siri to play a sound to help you locate it. For both Android and iOS, call your phone. Step 1. Use another phone to call your number. Step 2. If your phone is nearby, you may hear it ringing or vibrating. Check nearby locations. Step 1. Retrace your steps to where you last had your phone. Step 2. Ask friends, family, or colleagues if they have seen it. Use Bluetooth trackers. Step 1. If you have a Bluetooth tracker, like a Tile or AirTag attached to your phone, use the corresponding app to locate it. Step 2. Follow the app's instructions to find your phone. Contact your carrier. Step 1. If you still can't find your phone, contact your mobile carrier. Step 2. They may be able to help you track it or suspend your service to prevent unauthorized use. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of finding your lost phone. Remember to stay calm and methodical in your search. Good luck.